Oh, wrong direction advertisement. Para kumita, si Luis ang ano. Okay.
Hi guys, this is Wrong Direction and this is episode number 4.
Episode number 4.
Come on.
At
We're at UST, you know, and we're in the Plaza Mayor. There is the field.
here's Marvin, here's Jolo in my camera.
Marvin, this is Jolo. This is our
And
friends.
oh,
Wait, they're there. So, we're here at UST. Pakita mo yung UST.
yeah, UST. Main building right
There's the
over
main
there.
building out there.
There's the clock that never works.
So, we're here at...
Ay, gumagana pala. Sorry, USTs.
So, there's our fan.
Oh, I'm Amit fan. Ana,
Say hi to the...
say hi to them. Say hi to Marks and Ate Maru. Say hi. Okay.
So, what are we doing here?
What are we doing here, Marv? Marv, what are we doing here?
We're going to the lovers lane because we are
We are lovers.
lane
We're lovers.
because we're lovers.
We're searching for our loved ones.
Oh, okay.
Can we find them?
Yeah.
Let's
Let's
see.
look. Let's look.
Let's go. Let's look for our lovers.
Lovers.
Let's look.
Here are the lovers at the back.
Lovers? Yeah. Come on.
Si Jolo tsaka si...
Here are the lovers.
Lovers?
Here are the lovers.
Hindi naman ako love ni Ana. Oh, okay. There's Jolo again.
Hi.
Spy.
So, let...
Huh?
There makisayaw ka doon.
Jolo, kunin mo yung number nila.
Not me. Luis.
Kunin mo yung pangalan lang.
Kanina.
Hi, I'm Luis.
Ayan.
Ang hirap yan. Dapat yung kaibigan niya na lang na acting
Sana.
may kapatid.
Saan na ba yung kapatid mo, Luis?
Sana ba yung kapatid?
Huwag mo sabihin sa camera.
Oh, we've met Luis' sister.
A while ago.
Name ano? Paano name mo sister mo?
Pia.
Pia?
Pia Blanco.
Pia Blanco.
Yeah.
There's
Oh,
Mangre.
wait.
Go.
Mang Ray. Hi.
Tapos
There's Mangre.
two.
Where is your target? Oh.
Help me find my target here. Search.
Search, come on.
Search for the lucky one.
Oop, there are many over there. Many people. Over there.
Let's search.
Oh, Mang Ray. Yeah.
Mang Ray, this is Jolo.
Camera.
This is
Luis
and
and Amber.
Special guest, Sir Hero. Sir Hero.
Sir Hero.
Sir Hero.
Oh.
Oh.
Come on, let's try to look for friends.
Let us see. They will like
Alright.
wrong direction.
Target.
Target.
Target spotted. Oh, not that. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. Mang Ray. Friends mo ba sila? Friends mo ba sila? Ah, don't know them. Maybe they know you.
Yeah.
What are we doing here?
See the girls, they're looking at Luis.
Oh, nice one, Luis. Where are you, Luis? Yon. Nice one, Luis. So, ngayon, nanguuna si Mang Ray. Kasi, di siya mapapansin kapag nahuli siya kay Luis. Say, where? Say, where? Saan? Oh, no, not that. Many people here or the baristas. Don't focus at ano ba? Why?
That's my target.
Not my target, not your target.
Let's see this.
This one, amazing. They're juggling bottles.
Juggling what?
Juggling bottles.
Look at the lovers.
Look at the lovers. Where? Lovers. Okay, come on.
Lovers.
Oh, come on. Oh, no. Eh, aminado ka, Ana.
Hi! Welcome to Golden Panda!
Well, what? There's no golden panda.
For 1 month, it's only 600, 250, 600,
Excuse me, this is Wrong Direction TV.
That golden panda TV.
Make your own Golden Panda TV, ah.
Promoter of golden panda.
It's the panda.
Hello,
That's our hero.
Mang hinanap natin dito.
Panda.
Pupunta ba tayo sa Arc of the Century?
No, we're nearing the...
Nearing?
Malapit.
Oh, let's see it. Oh, no. Wala. Masyado. Mainit.
Hi, welcome to Golden Panda again. For 2 months, you will have
2 months, 6,000 lang.
So we're nearing the famous arch.
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 Arch of the Aorta.
The Arch of the...
Arch of the Aorta.
Okay. Luis,
Yeah.
how's the exam?
The exam was long.
Long. How about the grade? Top 2. Yeah.
It's so unexpected, but I tried my best and I guess my effort.
Oh. So, Eleanor, choose your next target.
What the fudge?
She's going down. Pakatapan ka na.
No.
Okay.
Let's have a friendly competition.
Friendly competition, huh? Checking out the competition. Arch of the Aorta. Where are we going?
The arch of the century.
Arc of the Century.
Yeah.
Maki, paano yan? Pumasok na ako dyan.
You can go out na.
You can go out.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I hope to see you on the next episode, okay? Come on. Kiss Anna. She will say yuck.
Formally say bye-bye for this episode, and I hope you will watch this when we post it on Facebook. So yeah, watch us, and our next game is tomorrow. Where
Tomorrow.
Where?
That's
At Spider-Man Theater. Spider-Man Theater. Watch us there. Bye.
For more inquiries about Golden Panda,